Hi, I'm Aditya Sharma, and I'm joined with Ishan Goyal, and today we'll be presenting Pin&Post, a solution to wildfires using a mobile application to profile hazardous vegetation growth near utility poles. Pin&Post opens up with a beautiful loading animation screen powered by the Low-T iOS animation framework. The user is then greeted with a walkthrough addressing the key functionalities of this application. Users can click on the plus button to file a new report. First, the user can either take or select an image from the fire hazard that they would like to report. Next, they can share their basic contact information, a self-evaluated hazard severity rating, and a description of the issue. When the user files a report, the report of its location are sent to a hazard management database for utility companies to access. Here, utility companies can see a list of locations, descriptions, and types of hazards they are concerned with power poles. The application also features an About page highlighting on how one can submit a report in 4 easy steps. The description of this incident, along with precise coordinates of the location, are sent to the utility provider, who can send out crews to cut the vegetation or otherwise fix the problem. Even in a situation where a user does not have an internet connection, the submission will still go through when they're reconnected, and your utility company will receive the coordinate of your report. Once a report has been filed, a detail view controller allows the user to check on the report status by viewing the pin location of their incident reporting. The UI table view controller is populated with the user entries. Using the MK Map View framework, we were able to extract the user's location and put that onto the Apple Maps view. The iOS application was programmed using the Xcode IDE or Integrated Development Platform. Behind the scenes, the report is then successfully stored into the Google Firebase real-time database and the Firebase storage, nesting the data into a cloud-hosted JSON tree. The Cocoa Touch framework via pod files was used to configure Firebase into the iOS Swift application. Using the latitude and longitude collected at the time of submission, each report is marked using a pin on a mobile-friendly interactive map on the database. These pins make it easy for utility companies to find patterns and safety issues. The power utility companies can intuitively view all these pins to the leaflet.js open source JavaScript library for interactive maps. We can view all the pins on the map which pertain to each entry on our database. Each individual report that is submitted shows the type of hazard, the precise coordinate location at which the report was filed, a description of the incident reported, and the customer's basic contact information. Filing a report now takes only seconds, as people do not have to call emergency services to get maintenance crews to come out and fix an issue.